How to comment photo in TikTok. Let's get started. Launch your TikTok app. You will land to the For You page. Now head towards the video where you want to comment with photo. Head towards the comment section of the video. After you land to the comment section, now you have to select any of the comment that you want to reply with the video. Just click on the option of reply. With that, you will get this red icon over here. Just click on it. Your camera will open up. Now you can click the picture, or also you can upload it from gallery. If you also want to do so, click on this option of upload. Once you select the picture, click on next. At the right corner, you're gonna find different options. You can use this option to edit your picture and then click on next. This picture will also be uploaded as post in your TikTok account. Now click on post. So here is the post. Now click on the comment. Click on view comment. And over here you will find your picture comment. So this is how you can comment photo in TikTok. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.